All right, guys, we got everything flashed like you saw. What we're gonna do now is just see how she runs, see how she shifts, see what the difference is. Wow, the hood open thing actually worked, guys. Can you believe it? Man, it just stopped it going. It's kind of making me nervous. I thought I was inoperable. I thought my BPM tune just ruined my transmission. They say it shifts sportier, but I imagine that's just in D. How's it supposed to shift sportier unless it's just quicker in manual? Because it feels a little more responsive there on the old throttle. That didn't work too good, did it? Okay, that shifted a lot better. So the question is, what does European launch control feel like? Let's see. This is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be so awesome, cause I know it's gonna be awesome, cause it's gonna be awesome. I bet you that's a good spot down here, guys. I've noticed one thing with this SMG transmission. I think if you're driving it in just drive, yeah, it's clunky, yeah, it shifts funny, whatever. If you're driving it in manual like you should be driving it, man, it shifts beautiful. And keep in mind, this car's not made to be going 35 miles an hour around 10. That's not what it was designed for. They didn't say, hey guys, let's make sure the transmission shifts really good at stop and go traffic. I mean, it's an M5, give me a break. So it feels to me like when the RPMs are up a little bit higher, man, it just shifts smooth, really good. So yeah, I think it's great. I love this SMG transmission, to tell you the truth. Some people call me crazy, but man, I really enjoy driving this. It's fun. I don't have to work the dang clutch pedal all day long, but I still get that involvement and, you know, the kind of stuff that's fun about driving a manual without my foot having to go up and down 500 times. Yeah, this thing's fun. I love how it rev matches. I love how it sounds. I love how it shifts. And believe it or not, yes, it's fun when you're kind of being aggressive and it's shifting fast. But you know, it's fun when it's only on 3 bars and you get that little delay before it shifts. It's kind of what it's like shifting a car. You guys act like you're so fast shifting, like, geez, how'd you guys get so fast? If you shift faster than the SMG, well, that's just wonderful. I bet you don't. Well, let's drive around and let's find somewhere. We got to find somewhere, guys, because we're running out of daylight and we gotta film this bad boy. I'm stuck behind a semi-truck. I'd see we did her pretty good, boys.